Are you calibrating temperature switches? For the field metrology wells, we make calibration of temperature switches easy and automated. With a switch just like this, the switch is designed to open and close at a certain temperature, a nominal temperature. Well, with the field metrology wells, to test this, you simply plug it into the front panel here. And you set it down into the metrology well. Now the metrology well is the field metrology well is going to notice if this is an open or closed switch. There's two ways in which you can set up an automated test. The first way is a manual test, which you're able to define the nominal temperature, when it should open and when it should close, and then also how many cycles you'd want to run. Or there's the automated test, which a lot of people end up using. With the automated test, you simply plug in the nominal temperature. For example, this would be a 100-degree switch, and you press go, and it runs through a 3-cycle test in which it ramps up, starting below 100, going above 100, then back down through its 3-cycle test, making some automated adjustments inside, and then it reports you the dead band, the open, the close, and then the dead band temperature of the switch, making temperature calibration automated, documented, and easy.